Hi, and welcome to TestHQ. If you're looking to secure your dream job, you're in the right place. We specialize in helping you prepare for the aptitude tests that are critical in job assessments. Let's take a quick look at how TestHQ can set you up for success. At TestHQ, we provide access to hundreds of regularly updated practice aptitude test questions. Whether you're preparing for numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, or logical reasoning tests, we've got you covered. Our practice tests are designed to mirror real-world assessments used by top companies and employers. Every question is updated regularly to ensure you're practicing with the most relevant content. And with real-world test simulations, you'll feel fully prepared for the actual test day. Each question comes with comprehensive analysis and detailed explanations. You'll gain a deeper understanding of the right answer and why it's correct. Plus, our study guides are packed with valuable tips that help you master each question type and improve your score quickly. TestHQ is more than just practice. It's about continuous improvement. Our platform evaluates your performance, showing you where you're excelling and where you need more work. This way, you can focus on areas that need attention and track your progress over time. With TestHQ, you'll build the confidence and skills you need to excel in any aptitude test. Developed by qualified industry experts, our tests accurately reflect the real-world challenges you'll face, ensuring you're ready for whatever comes your way. And the best part? You can access our platform instantly, anytime, anywhere. Start practicing today and take your first step towards securing that dream job. Thank you for choosing TestHQ, your go-to resource for mastering aptitude tests. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, updates, and expert advice. Let's get started on your journey to success. Visit testhq.com now for instant access to thousands of practice tests and begin preparing for your future.